yours and you're looking ready to set it on fire. Come on and cha-cha-cha with me, and I'ma cha-cha-cha with you tonight. I like it like that. She working that back. I don't know how to act.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Nurbasanan Sinwan, class of CBA2 in Intermediate Grammar. Today, I would like to talk about the topics relative clause. First of all, what is relative clause? A relative clause is a part of a sentence that gives more information about a person, thing, or place. Relative clause help us combine two sentences into one sentence. Clause help us make our sentence is more detailed and more connected. For example, the girl is my sister. She is wearing a red dress. We can combine them into the girl who is wearing a red dress is my sister. In this sentence, who is wearing a red dress is the relative clause. There are several relative pronouns that we use who for people as the subject. The teacher who teaches English is kind. Whom for people as the object. For example is the man whom I met yesterday was friendly. Which for things or animals. For example, the books which I borrow is interesting. Whose for to show possession. For example, the student whose bag is blue is my friend. That for people or animals or things. The example is the movie that we watched was exciting. We can also use where for place. This is the school. For example, this is the school where I study. The second one, why? Why for reason. For example, I know the reason why she was late. There are two types of relative clause. The first is defining relative clause. Defining relative clause gives important information. For example, the students who studies hard will pass the exam. The second one, undefining relative clause. Undefining relative clause gives extra information and use comma. For example, my brother who lives in Jakarta is a doctor. So, relative clause are useful because they help us connect ideas and make our sentence clear and more connected and more interesting. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.